Hello, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nash, and today we are going to sit down and we are going to unbag this month's Ipsy bag for March. I can't believe we are in March already, you guys. It's almost April. It's March 20th already, and I honestly, you guys, I just can't get over how fast this year is going. But we're going to sit down, we're going to unbox March 2018 Ipsy bag or glam bag, whatever you want to call it. So if you're curious to see what I got in this bag this month, make sure you just keep on watching. So we have the normal bags here, and you open it up and we have this cute little bag. It is quite a bit bigger than most of the bags we get. So this bag, for example, was from Ipsy last month or the month before, and you can see like this one is quite a bit bigger. So I actually like that. You definitely would be able to carry a little bit more in this bag than you would in like the normal size bags we usually get. And it's black and white, which you also get, I'll quickly pull this out and get this part over with. Also get two little markers that come with it, so you can go in and you can like color up your bag and make it cute and kind of personalize it how you would like it. So that's kind of a cute little idea. I like that they made that little touch in the bag this month. That's really cute. Alright, so let's get in. First thing is the card we always go through. So it says create, obviously because of the bag you can kind of create it how you want. Ipsy March 2018. And then it goes onto the back with little writing and quotes and stuff. I like the little colorful little card they sent this month. It's really cute. So as you can see, I'm not wearing any makeup. First thing in the bag this month is this Solution Facial Detox by Gold Faden MD. So it says problem oily and acne prone skin. Now I have dry skin, so I'm not sure why they would send me an oily thing, but okay. It is a clarify and clear mask, zinc oxide, sulfur, and champur. Purifying mask effectively draws out bacteria and pore clogging debris, revealing clearer, blemish-free skin. Guys, I'm trying so hard. I can't get this top open. What the heck? There's a safety seal on it, which is always nice to see. So it says to apply a thin layer to clear skin, avoid the eye area, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse thoroughly, I can never pronounce that word, with water. And I'm just going in, I don't know with how much, this much, and I'm just gonna apply a layer all around my face. It smells like Vicks. Yep, it smells like Vicks. Like when you guys get sick, or when anybody gets sick, I guess, not just you guys. And you apply Vicks all over your chest and your neck and your feet. That's what it smells like. I wish one thing, like I've always gotten like different masks and stuff from Ipsy, but I wish they would send out more peel off masks, because I hate when I apply these and then I have to go, like it's just such a mess with these, right? Like you have to go and then you end up getting so much hair wet when you go to like wash it off your face, all your hair gets wet, and like it's just such a mess, whereas peel off mask you can just peel it off and be done. Maybe that's just a filming thing I have, it's just easier to film with the peel off masks, but or even like sheet masks. I like getting sheet masks over this kind of mask too. So yeah, so right off the bat it feels like it's going to be kind of like a mud mask where it kind of dries down. Very menthol-y, like it feels like there's menthol on my face, so there's a little bit of a burn. I am just going to set my timer for, I guess 15 minutes? 10 minutes? I'll do 10 minutes. I don't feel like waiting around here all day for it. So I'll come back in 10 minutes after I have taken this off, and we'll continue on. I'll let you know kind of if the mask did anything or what my face feels like. So yeah, we'll see you guys in about 10 minutes. Alright, so I just finished taking the mask off and my face feels very dry. Very dry. Like I get it's aimed towards oily skin, but I have very dry skin, so my face is not feeling good. It looks okay, like it doesn't look extremely dry. It really feels dry. It really does, you guys. And I really don't see it looking any different. Like I can still see my pores on my nose. Not my favorite mask. I'll pass this along to maybe a friend or something like that, because I won't be using it. So I'm just gonna quickly apply my foundation and concealer, and then we'll come back and continue on with the rest of the bag. Okay, so I have my foundation and my concealer on. I have not set anything yet because next thing in the bag is the City Color Glow Duo. So you have a cream side and then a powder side. So this is a cream side here. This is a powder side. This looks like it's gonna be really dark. Like you'd think if you put a glow and a cream together, you kind of have them matching, because this will work for me, but this will work for a deeper skin tone, whereas this will not work for a deeper skin tone, but this will. So interesting. I mean, this is more like a bronzer, like that's really dark. So anyways, I'm gonna go in with the cream side to highlight my face before I set it. I'm just gonna dip into my beauty sponge and pick it up. There's nothing being picked up. This is the swatch here, if you can see. And like hardly anything is coming off of it. Like it's very oily. Like it's interesting sometimes in the boxes, like they send out an oily, like a mask for oily skin, but then they send out something like this and like there's no way that somebody with oily skin could go in with this oily of a cream highlight. And not even that, but like there's hardly anything. I guess if you want maybe like a subtle highlight, this might work. But okay, so I'm gonna apply my powder, my brows, and then we'll come back and go through the rest. Wow, I just look so pasty and just like, I'll be right back. Okay, so I've applied my brows, my powder, and a little bit of bronzer to put some life back in my face. And guys, there's just no way I'm gonna be able to highlight with that shade. Like this is it here. And like picking up a highlighter brush, even if maybe I'll try it. Okay, so I'm gonna dip in. I'm just gonna go in with a really, really light hand. I'm scared. I'm not exactly sure who this palette is made for. Oh yeah, no, that's just giving me like a bronze. No, I'm not sure who this palette is made for, but I'm not sure if it's like made for a lighter skin, medium skin, maybe. I don't know who would want to use a cream. It was very oily and very just, I didn't like the cream. And then the powder almost looked like a bronzer to me. Like even deeper skin tone, like a medium skin tone, I think would have problems with that. So I'm not sure exactly who this is made for. Again, I will maybe pass this on to a friend or something if they want to try it, but definitely not for me. I'm just gonna apply some blush quickly. This video is already just failing so hard. What the heck? And then I'm also gonna go in with like a lighter highlight to cover my bronzed cheekbones. And I'm just gonna go into my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I do have a full review on this highlighter as well as the gloss bomb. I'll link it up here if you're curious to take a look at that, but I love this highlighter. I love it so, so much. Okay, on to the next thing. So we have 3 things left. Okay, so next 2 things is this Hiraki cream pigment, and it is just in this damn bronze shade. You guys, I have complained about this so much over the last few months of Ipsy, and I even went in and I changed, like I went in and you know how you can change like your settings and like what you like and stuff. I even went in and I changed it, and I was like, I like all adventurous shadows, like no neutral shadows, just no. We have gotten so many shades that look exactly like this. Like exactly. I just don't understand why they keep sending these exact same shades. Different brands maybe, yeah, but you only need so and so many bronze shimmery shades in your collection before they get a little bit old. Do you know what I mean? So I guess we'll do a look with this. We also got a scone brush. This is a large shadow brush. So this is nice. I always like getting brushes, so I'm not mad about this. You can see it's just like kind of like a fat tip, short, so it's just like a packer brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with this shadow. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid, and then I'll just take a couple transition shades after to, it's gonna be really simple, you guys. Okay, well, you're gonna need to wet your brush with this shade. So if you don't, nothing goes on your eye. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, so let me just apply the other eye, and then I'm gonna get really up close and see if this will pick up on camera. I don't know if they were trying to go for this sort of effect. Oh no, you guys. It looks like I have like foiled gold on my eyes. Can you guys see that? I wonder if that's gonna even pick up on camera. Oh, it looks so textured and so bad. I don't like it at all. Okay, the brush is good. I mean, it's a good packer brush. Nothing wrong with the brush. I am just going to go in. Oh my goodness, how am I gonna fix this? I'm just gonna go in with a couple matte shades just to try and tone this down a little bit. I don't know. And then once they're on completely, I'll come back and we'll do the last product in the bag this month. Last thing in the bag this month is this Sex Kitten Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, I guess. And you get the tiniest little amount in this. I'm just going to apply this to my upper waterline and lower waterline, and then I'll smoke out the bottom lash line with maybe like a black or something to finish off the eyes. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with some really big lashes to try and fix this look, and then some lips, and we'll come back to talk about this month's Ipsy bag. Alright you guys, and this is the finished look using Ipsy, the March Ipsy bag. I don't hate how the look came out, but I'll tell you, most of how the look came out is not because of what I used this month in the Ipsy bag. To start, we had the mask, and they sent me an oily skinned mask. I have dry skin. They can't seem to read, apparently. We then had the Glow Duo, who couldn't decide whether he was targeting light skin or deeper skin. Didn't know. Not even that, but this oily mess, like there's hardly any pigment, it's just an oil mess for the cream. And we had, oh, let's talk about this Tarte Sex Liner. Good liner, don't get me wrong on that, but look at the amount of product we get, you guys. Like there's nothing in that. Absolutely nothing in it, you guys. So that'll last me 2 things, and I lost the top. That's not Ipsy's fault, but I did lose the top for that. Don't know where it went. Hiraki cream pigment that looks like an utter mess on my lids. I don't know, it looked like so textured, it looks like I have 90-year-old lids. And then we have the brush. This is the only thing I did like this month, is this scone brush. Don't mind that at all. It's just a brush, so I always like getting brushes. That's the only thing I actually liked. And then the bag, I thought the bag was cute with the little markers, but you guys, 4 out of 5 things, good you guys. They're really, really not good at all. I'm really disappointed in this month. I've been thinking about canceling Ipsy and trying maybe a different subscription. Let me know what your guys' favorite subscriptions are besides Ipsy for about the same price per month, so about that $10 mark a month. I'd like to hear what you guys think and what subscriptions you like that you get. Anything better than Ipsy? Let me know down below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I do post a new video every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel, so you don't want to miss out on that. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye guys.